Hey everybody, had a really cool time with a hawk tonight here. I was early in my flight. I noticed him in the sky there, and so it kind of turned and tried to follow me. Flew right at me. I backed up a little bit and was able to track him right across. This is the 4K raw footage, and I did edit it down and cropped into the 1080p, and got a better look at it, a little bit less detail, but and then it'll slow it down later. But really cool moment. I think that's a brown-tailed hawk. They're very curious about the drones, but they so far haven't knocked me out of the sky. I don't taunt them. I try to catch a shot of them if they fly near me. But yeah, that's definitely a brown-tailed hawk. Thanks for watching, everybody.